Alright guys, so before I actually show you how to grow the group and get, engagement and all that stuff, I'm gonna show you how to actually collect leads, get email subscribers, all that cool stuff. And you'll see why it makes sense in just a second. So by now you've already made a group, and if you don't have a website or anything like that, I recommend you just set it to join the group. So we're gonna do that right now. So visit group. Select one of my groups. I'm going to select my SpaceX help group. Save and finish. So that's literally it. So now anytime someone comes here, they're going to click on visit group and it's going to take them to, you can test the group as well. And it's going to take them right there. So how do we set up your group so that you're going to get leads and, you're going to get emails, you're going to get subscribers, you're going to get all that stuff every single time. I'm going to show you the secret to do that right now. And I've never really spoken about this before. So this is the first time I'm actually talking about this. So let's get straight to it. So by now you've already done your description. So that's your bait. And by the way, I recommend just change this to only admins and moderators, only admins. No, all posts must be approved. And only admins, and this one has to be approved as well. Okay, so that's just something you want to set up right away. Very simple. You want your post approved, otherwise people are just gonna post all kinds of crap. A lot of spam posts. So the way that you want to actually collect leads is to basically ask questions. Okay, so here's how we do that. So you can have 250 characters for 3 questions. So what you're gonna have to ask yourself, what's the 3 most important things you need from a person? So if you want to collect leads, you might say, what's your name? What's your email address? And you might say, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then put the link. Of course, you don't want to say it like that. You pretty much never want to say it like that. What you want to say is, okay, look, hey guys, I want to send you my. In fact, what I would do is, name and so what I would do is in the first question I would say, I would explain what I'm giving them. So I'd say, look, I want to give you a free product. I want to give you a free I don't know, a free book, a free pen, any kind of free plus shipping product, for example, okay? And the next one is going to say, so what's your name and email address so I can send you X or Y. Very simple. And then you can ask for name and email address, and then they're going to give the name and email address. But first you want to give, you want to use the bait. So you want to use the bait. So by now, the bait that you put here has to be congruent, so it has to be the same as the bait that you put in the description. So if in the description you wrote, okay, I'm going to give you a cheat sheet for the top 10 altcoins or the bitcoins or whatever to buy in 28, not 18. And here it's going to say, want the top 10 altcoins cheat sheet. Do you want that? Do you want it now? So what's your name and email address so I can send it to you? Okay, for free plus shipping, you probably want to ask for this first, and then in your money post, you're gonna want to put the link so that they can get it. Okay, so you don't want to ask them for shipping address and credit card details. And don't do that. That's gonna kill your conversions on this. And it's simple. If you want to add one more in, so this one's not necessary. This one's if you want to have YouTube subscribers. I got so many subscribers doing this. So if this sounds a bit cheesy to you, sounds a bit weird, trust me, I'm telling you right now, it works, and I do it all the time because it works, and that's what I do all the time. So I want you to do as well. Okay, otherwise I wouldn't tell you. So what you do is you paste your YouTube link here, your Instagram link, Instagram, website, Snapchat. I even got Snapchat followers from this. I got Instagram followers from this. I got pretty much everything, guys. It's so cool. This is for me. This is an insane way to collect leads for free. But like I said, guys, this is all for free so far. You've spent $0 out of pocket so far. $0. And you're getting leads for free. People pay I pay, you know, a couple dollars per lead, and you can get me for free. So what's your name, email address, so I can send you X or Y. And here's the bait. Or you can do them all in one. So you can say it like that. Remember, you do have 250 characters, and this is how you're gonna build email lists. So let me show you an example. So I'm just gonna cancel this. So let me show you why currently. So right now I've changed it up at the beginning. So right now I built a list of about 1,000 people just from these members. Now I have like 5 connected groups. I got Ecom Nation, Facebook Ads Nation, Crypto Nation, Funnel Heroes. So there's a couple. Combined, I've got over 1,000 emails just doing this, doing absolutely nothing. So you can see, so this guy didn't give his email. By the way, you're gonna get people who don't give their email, okay, or they don't subscribe, or they don't do anything like that, and it's going to happen. So you just have to expect, because there is a conversion rate and everything. But yeah, guys, so if they don't give you their email or anything like that, you want to approve them anyway, and I'll show you how you can still get them to convert. Okay, there's still different ways, because obviously they haven't converted yet, but you can still get them to convert, and I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So you want to improve them anyway. Don't worry, don't get you know, crazy about it. Don't decline them. Basically, you don't want to decline. So what I say is, if you're not interested, don't give your email, because some people are giving fake emails and it was just pissing me off. So I just like, yeah, if you don't want to give it, don't give it. So this is the first step where we ask for the lead. I mean for the email. So this is step number 1. And then, so let me just approve a few more people. So yeah, so we can see people, they'll be like, yes, please, thanks, yes. And trust me, and here you can see, I'm getting them to register for my webinar. Okay, and trust me, I'm getting people registering daily just from this. That's crazy, right? So I'm doing nothing. I'm getting people registered. People paying $3 a lead. Yeah, I pay $3 a lead. But when I say people, it includes me as well. And I'm getting people coming here for free. But obviously, this is a bit slower. It can be a bit slower, so that's why, you know, I pay per lead as well, because I make my money back. So you want to improve them. And you can see they're going to give you the email. All you got to do is copy paste it into MailChimp. So I'll go more into the tools to use later on, but for now, that's all you got to do. So this is how you collect leads. This is how you get webinar registrations and all that stuff. By the way, this is step 1. So there's another step you can do. So remember, we saw all the people. So the first step is try and get a name and email and get them to subscribe to YouTube or follow your Instagram. And then the second step is to get them to take the second step. So let's say it's a free plus shipping offer. In the money post, I'll show you how to do free plus shipping, so that when they click on that, they're going to have to give their name and email again anyway. So that way, those people who did not give you their email when they join the group, they'll give you the email right there. So that's the second chance to get their email. And there's also a couple other ways you're going to be able to get their email later on through contests and giveaways. So make sure you approve everyone. Okay, don't not approve them, because there are other chances, which I'm going to show you, that's actually going to allow you to get their emails. So that's all there is for today, guys. So you want to come in to ask questions, ask 3 questions for the 3 main things you want from them. So you just name an email, YouTube subscribers, and that's it. Don't ask for the shipping address. Trust me, you never want to do that. But don't copy me, because this is more advanced. I don't really need leads now. I'm getting leads all the time, so I'm not fussed. But for you probably want to do like email address. Just start out with just email address. Don't ask for name. Just start out with email address. Try and get that first. And then as it's working better, you know, have a second one, say YouTube subscriber, and third one might be Instagram followers. So whatever is important to you, that's what you want to ask it. So even if you want to ask normal questions like how old are you, you can get that there. Or when's your birthday, get that in there. Anything like that.